Okay, ladies, this is your girl Bombshell coming to you another quick video. I see you probably wondering to yourself, like, oh, so she doing the black and white buffalo theme with the Chanel thing? Well, ladies, it's all about being creative. You don't have to do what other people do. It's all about thinking outside the box. And as you can see, these are the new Chanel ornaments for 2020, Christmas 2020. Yes, I had paired this up with the buffalo theme because, again, black and white is a dominant color. It can go with anything. When you order your ornaments, you get ornaments in the print on both sides. You get the print on both sides. I super love this one. It's different, but of course, it's all about being creative. And yes, it have the ice on the green. And had to throw in a little diamond, of course. So moving along. Again, ladies, these are all handcraft and created by Bombshell. And you're getting the look on both sides. So when you place your orders, and this right here, it have the snowflakes on top, but it will not come with the snowflakes on top of this. And this have the Chanel all around. And even on the bottom. So yes, this is what you get when you order with Bombshell. These are not the ones I made. These are some of the ones I purchased. But just give you an idea how you can mix up different items to bring out your tree. Just add in some black and white plain ornaments, and you will have a beautiful, beautiful tree, y'all. These are handmade by Bombshell. Check it out. To place your order, go to shopwithbam.com, or you can message me. Thank you for watching.